Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you some information for my August 2020 online class. For this class, we're going to be using the Forever Fern stamp set offered by Stampin' Up. This class is going to run from Monday, August 3rd until Friday, August 14th. When you sign up for this class, you will receive an invitation to a private Facebook group. And in this group, I will be doing live videos to show you how to create the cards for this class. We will be doing these classes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for those 2 weeks. This class will include all the supplies that you need to create 6 beautiful cards and 1 bonus card. Let's go ahead and see those cards now. Here are the cards we'll be making for the August 2020 online class. As you can see, they have lots of layers. We're including a lot of textures with the embossing folder, and we also have this beautiful gold foil that will be part of each card. We have some fun embellishments, and they're all made using the beautiful colors that are part of that DSP. And then this is the bonus card. So it's nice and simple and just uses up the leftover pieces of DSP. So let's go ahead and see what will come in your kit. So the first thing are the envelopes, and you will receive 7 Whisper White envelopes. Then you're going to receive all the card bases, cardstock, and DSP needed for this class. Everything will come pre-cut. So you'll have 7 card bases. You'll have 6 DSPs cut down to the right size for each card. And then you're going to receive all the pieces for each card, and they will be individually packaged, so you'll know what you'll need for each card. And as you can see, they'll come pre-embossed, like these ones. You can see that will come embossed, all ready to go. You'll get your labels pre-cut. Then you'll get your stamping strips. So this is everything you'll stamp your images on. And then if you have the coordinating dies, you can cut those out, or you can fussy cut. And the embellishments. The kit will also include 1/4 of a pack of the Forever Greenery Combo Trim Pack, and it includes this really pretty gold twine and then this open weave ribbon. I ran out of my own personal stash, so I'm just going to show you a close-up of the catalog. So you'll also receive some of this open weave trim, and you'll receive 1/4 of a pack of that. So that means the gold trim will be 90 inches and the open weave is 45 inches. And you'll receive that in 1 full piece instead of cut individually like I've done for my past. And the reason for that is so that you don't get any fraying on the edge. And then we'll talk about how to tie and cut each one individually during the class. Another fun thing you're going to receive in your kit is a full sheet of each of these designs. And this comes from the Forever Gold Laser Cut Specialty Paper. And so this package actually includes 3 of each design, and so you're going to receive 1/3 of the package. And so you'll just get 1 full sheet of these fun backgrounds, and then a full sheet of the die cut leaves. And so you can see how pretty those are and how easy it is to use these on our cards. And then whatever you have left over, you're just going to be able to keep and use for any future projects. So let's talk really quickly about the supplies you're going to need for these cards. You're going to need the Forever Fern stamp set and the clear blocks that coordinate with that stamp set. And so you're going to want D, B, and E. So those are the right sizes for this particular stamp set. And then you're going to need some of the green inks that Stampin' Up! Offers, such as Shaded Spruce, Pretty Peacock, Just Jade, Garden Green, and Pear Pizzazz. The tools you will need include the adhesives, and you'll just want to get the ones that you like to use. You'll also need a pair of scissors, and I like to use a nice sharp pair for ribbon, and then a pair if you're going to be fussy cutting. And then some optional tools include a pickup tool and a bone folder. Now, if you have a die cutting machine, you may want to get the coordinating dies that go with the Forever Fern stamp set, and they're called the Forever Flourishing dies. The reason that you may want them is because they do a really great job of cutting out those stamped images, and then they also provide a beautiful die cut fern leaf shapes, and so it's a really fun die set. And they do come bundled, and you can save 10% on that price. If you're interested in this class, you can contact me through email to sign up. The cost for this class is $30. It includes your packet of all the cardstock and accessories that we just saw, as well as access to the Facebook group, which will give you access to the live videos, as well as written PDFs of each card so that you can create them on your own time. Now, these live videos will always be available to you just in case you're not able to make it and watch it live with me. We will also be doing giveaways each Friday, so there will be 2 small giveaways just as a thank you for joining this class. If you are interested and would like to join me for this exclusive online class in August, please email me at chelsea@creativechelsea.com, and you can find that email address in the description below, as well as a link to my blog for more information on this class. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye!